What will happen if the computer is turned off while installing Windows Update? So, in this video, we are going to check this out. As you can see, my Windows is updating. Now, let's turn off the computer after Windows is 70 or 80% updated. We'll see what the result is. As you can see, a new text is showing which says undoing changes made to your computer, which means when updating the computer, everything that has been updated now in the system will be removed and the computer will be moved back to the previous state. So, let's see what the computer is like after this process is complete. Is everything fine or not? As you can see, our computer is finally booting up. So, let's try everything and see what the situation is. Yes, it's look everything is okay and everything is working fine. As well as all my useful files are looking fine. Seems like the Windows rollback process did a pretty good job. We need to give a shout out to the Windows rollback process. But the whole thing can turn around for suddenly power losses. Some update may not be fully installed and it can lead to the system instability or unexpected behavior, as well as missing system file, which will affect the normal functioning of the Windows, as well as there is risk of data corruption if the update process was middle of modifying critical system file or the registry. Then this data corruption can lead to the system error and data losses. If the computer is turned off when installing any file which is necessary to boot Windows, that's the time your computer may get stuck in boot loop. So, it all depends on what stages of the Windows updating installation you turn off the computer. The saddest part is that Windows never tell you what type of file is currently installing. Windows only show you working on update and percentage. Just it. Here is the thing. Windows is designed to recover from certain update failure by rolling back changes if the update process is interrupted. Here, Windows may attempt to undoing changes and revert to the previous state. However, this rollback process is not guaranteed. Of course, if this rollback process doesn't fix your issue, then later you can troubleshoot or repair the system by going in recover option or advanced startup option. Depending on the problem, you can try different feature. So, let's talk a little bit about what you can do if any problem occurs but Windows rollback process couldn't fix your issue. If the computer is stuck on boot logo or loading Windows, then you can try Startup Repair. It can help you to fix this issue. Or you can try Change Windows Startup Behavior, like turning on your computer on low resolution video mode or turning on your computer in safe mode, etc. to fix this issue. Third, you can use command prompt for advanced troubleshooting, like modifying Windows core file or registry. If none of this method work, then you can uninstall any recent install quality or feature update from Windows. Hopefully, this will work. If that doesn't work, then you can use System Restore Point feature. Hopefully, this will work. Lastly, System Image Recovery. You can use this feature only when you have already created system image backup. And most of the time, we don't do it. But if you do, then you can continue. If you messed up your computer during an Windows update, then I hope you can restore your computer through this method that I told you. This method are enough, but still if for some reason you cannot boot the computer completely but you need your important file or document which is on your computer, then you can open the hard drive of your computer and connect it to the other computer to copy data. Otherwise, you can open command prompt and type notepad.exe. It will open your notepad. Now click file and go to the save as, and from here you can copy any of your useful file from one drive to another drive. If none of this fixing method worked for you, there is no need to reinstall Windows on your computer by making bootable pen drive. Just simply reset your PC, hopefully it will fix your issue. But remember to back up your important file first. So, we'll learn from this video, never turn off your computer during an update installation process. It's not a good idea at all. The result may not be good. It may cause damage. So, never try this on your computer.